Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Converting Java code to PHP involves understanding the differences in syntax, data types, and object-oriented programming paradigms between the two languages. Below is a tutorial that outlines the steps for converting Java code to PHP, complete with examples. Step-by-step tutorial on Java to PHP code conversion. Step 1, understand basic syntax differences. Java is statically typed and has a more verbose syntax compared to PHP, which is dynamically typed and has a more concise syntax. Java example asterisk. Equivalent PHP example asterisk. Step 2, data types. Java has specific data types, example int, string, boolean, while PHP uses loosely typed variables. Java example asterisk. Equivalent PHP example asterisk. Step 3, control structures. Both languages support similar control structures like if, for, and while, but the syntax differs. Java example asterisk. Equivalent PHP example asterisk. Step 4, functions and methods. Java methods are defined within classes, while PHP functions can exist independently or within classes. Java example asterisk. Equivalent PHP example asterisk. Step 5, object-oriented programming. Both Java and PHP support OOP, but the syntax and conventions differ. Java example asterisk. Equivalent PHP example asterisk. Step 6, error handling. Java uses try-catch blocks for exception handling, while PHP uses try-catch as well, but the syntax and types of exceptions differ. Java example asterisk. Equivalent PHP example asterisk. Final thoughts. When converting Java code to PHP, pay attention to the following. 1. Syntax differences. Understand how syntax changes between the two languages. 2. Data types. Remember that PHP is loosely typed variables do not need a type declaration. 3. Error handling. Exception types may differ, ensure to handle exceptions appropriately in PHP. 4. Library functions. Many Java libraries have PHP equivalents, but you may need to find them or implement similar functionality. Conclusion. Converting code from Java to PHP requires understanding both languages' syntax and paradigms. By following the above steps and examples, you can effectively translate Java code into PHP, preserving the logic and functionality while adapting to PHP syntax.